Heart is mesodermally derived, present in the thoracic cavity. It is present between two lungs, slightly tilted towards the left, and the membrane that surrounds and protects the heart is the pericardial membrane, the fibrous pericardium, and the serous pericardium. The fluid which is present in between these pericardial membranes is termed as the pericardial fluid, and it reduces friction between the membranes. Now there are three layers of the heart: the external one in epicardium, the middle layer the myocardium, and the inner one the endocardium. As far as the chambers of heart are considered, the heart is four-chambered, that is two atria and two ventricles. The right atrium receives blood from three major veins, that are the superior vena cava, the inferior vena cava, and the coronary sinus. The right atrium is separated from the left atrium by the interatrial septum. Now, a very prominent feature of this interatrial septum is the fossa ovalis, that is an oval depression that is present. It is actually the remnant of the foramen ovale, that is an opening in the interatrial septum of the fetal heart, which normally closes soon after the birth. Now, as far as the flow of blood is considered, the blood flow from the right atria towards the right ventricle, and for this it passes through a valve called as the tricuspid valve, also termed as the right atrioventricular valve. Now, as far as the right ventricle is considered, it receives blood from the right atrium, and right ventricle is separated from the left ventricle by the interventricular septum. It's again a septa which is present in between the ventricles. The right ventricle pumps blood through the pulmonary valve into larger artery called as the pulmonary trunk. After this, we see the left atrium that receives the oxygenated blood from the lung via the pulmonary vein, that are four in number. So the left atria, from the left atria, the blood flows towards the left ventricle through a valve called as the bicuspid valve or the mitral valve, also termed as the left atrioventricular valve. The last chamber, the left ventricle, obviously it's the thickest chamber, and the blood passes from the left ventricle through the aortic valve. So that was all about the layers of the heart, the chambers of the heart, that are the right, the left atrias, and the right and the left ventricles. Thank you.